Have you ever wondered why the ocean is salty? The oceans cover about 70% of the Earth's surface. About 97% of all the water on the ocean is saline salty. You might be asking, where did all the salt in the ocean comes from? Great question. The salt in the ocean comes from rocks and soil on the land. The ocean is salty primarily because of the continuous flow of water from rivers and streams that carry dissolved minerals from rocks and soil into the seas. Over time, these minerals, also known as salts, accumulate in the ocean, resulting in its characteristic saltiness. The main component of ocean salt is sodium chloride, which is the same salt we use in our kitchens as table salt. However, there are many other minerals and salts present in seawater, including magnesium, calcium, potassium, and sulfate, among others. Here's a simple explanation of how the salt gets into the ocean. 1. Erosion. Rainwater falls on the land and erodes rocks and soil, carrying small particles and dissolved minerals with it. 2. Rivers and streams. These eroded materials and dissolved minerals are carried by rivers and streams and eventually flow into the ocean. 3. Evaporation. Water from the ocean surface evaporates due to the sun's heat, leaving the salts and minerals behind. 4. Continued cycle. As more water flows into the ocean with dissolved minerals, and more evaporation occurs, the concentration of salt in the ocean water increases over time. This process has been ongoing for millions of years, resulting in the salty nature of the world's oceans. However, it's worth noting that the level of salinity can vary in different parts of the ocean due to factors like regional climate, ocean currents, and the presence of ice melting from polar regions, among others. Now that I answered the question why the ocean is salty, I know you might be asking again, was the ocean not salty at one point? Please stay tuned to find out. In the meantime, please like and subscribe for more amazing videos. Let's get back to it. Yes, there was a time in Earth's history when the ocean was not as salty as it is today. The early oceans, formed billions of years ago, would have been relatively fresh compared to the present-day oceans. The gradual accumulation of salts in the ocean, as I mentioned in the previous slides, occurred over an extensive period. The primary process that led to the increasing salinity of the oceans is the continuous erosion of rocks and minerals from the Earth's crust. Rainwater, over millions of years, weathered and eroded the rocks on the Earth's surface, carrying dissolved minerals and salts into rivers and streams. These rivers and streams eventually carried these dissolved materials into the oceans, gradually increasing the salt content. However, it's essential to consider that the Earth's geological history is incredibly long, and the processes governing the planet's formation and the evolution of its oceans have taken place over billions of years. The current saltiness of the ocean is the result of an ongoing process that has spanned an incredibly vast timescale. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more amazing videos.